Hi, greetings from Khaled. Welcome to my tutorials channel Fiverr Crest. Today I am showing you how to add payment method in your Fiverr account so that you can make payment to the seller. Showing right away, stay tuned. Welcome back to the session. To set payment method in your buyer or seller account in Fiverr, at first you should have a Fiverr account. If you need to know how to have a Fiverr account as well as how to order on Fiverr, you can check the link below this video after watching the tutorial. I already have a buyer account in Fiverr, so let me sign in to Fiverr now. I need to set a display name at first so that I can add pay method to my account. Fiverr recently introduced display name as a prerequisite to make valuable changes and updates in your account. So go to profile logo, click on profile. Click on edit here and write the display name here. Save display name. Now go to profile logo, go to billing and payment. See the payment method tab. Here you can add PayPal, credit card or any other supported payment method information. I am adding credit card, so click on add new payment method. Now click on credit or debit cards. Provide all required information addressing the credit card. Check all the given information is correct or not and then save. It will set the payment method with all required information. You can set your payment method on ordering a gig also. In that case, here you need to provide payment information. So once your payment setup is successful, you are ready to place your order on Fiverr. Therefore, in this tutorial, I have covered the step-by-step process on how to add payment method in your Fiverr account. Hope you enjoy the video. We have some more tutorials on how to have a Fiverr account and how to order on Fiverr also. If you need it, you can check the link below this video. For more videos like this, make sure to subscribe this channel and get in touch with Fiverr Crest for more awesome upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching.